I-unbox natin today is one of the most requested phone for 2022. And hawak ko right now is the Cherry Mobile Aqua SV. And SV stands for Super Velocity. And dami ninyong nag-request na itong phone na ito. So, i-unbox ko right now para sa inyo. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And for some quick specs nitong phone na ito na para sa inyo. So right now guys, i-unbox natin quickly itong Cherry Mobile Aqua SV, and 5G ready na siya guys. Andito sa box, it's a color black box. And very simple ang kanyang packaging. Kita natin, the phone is really nice guys. Fox leather ang kanyang likod. Hindi mo akalain guys no, na sobrang premium na itong phone na ito ang kanyang feel. At magugulat kayo sa presyo, i-review ko sa inyo in a short while. And kita natin ang kanyang camera, 108MP na quad camera guys, sobrang nice. And of course guys, kita nyo, curve ang kanyang screen. So bago tayo magpatuloy, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang other things that's inside the box. SIM ejector pin, user guide, jelly case, Type-C cable, headset, at 30 watts na fast charger. So since nakita na natin ang full unboxing nitong phone na ito, right now, ang quick phone tour. Sa ilalim, meron sa loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. At pag sinunod mo ang SIM tray, makikita mo na dalawang SIM card ang kaya nito. Wala siyang micro SD expansion. Parang mga flagship lang. Sa ibabaw ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Sa kabilang side, ang kanyang red na power button, and of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa harap ang kanyang dual camera, isa ay 16MP, the other one is a 2MP na depth sensor. Sa harap kita natin, meron siyang fingerprint scanner na okay naman, responsive, hindi lang sobrang bilis. Now guys, bago tayo magpatuloy, sasabihin ko na sa inyo ang presyo nitong Cherry Mobile Aqua SV 5G. Yes, you heard it right, it's 5G, 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage is right now priced at 11,999. Grabe guys, kita nyo no, with its display, its design, its specs, for that price point, less than 12,000 pesos, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. And guys, if you have something like this at this price point, I'm sure na wala nang papansin dito for a mid-ranger like this, price of 15,999. And ang kanyang processor is just a G96. And this one having a Dimensity 810 na processor, I'm pretty sure na ito is definitely the better buy. Now, kita natin ang kanyang performance pati sa Antutu benchmark with a 365,000 points is definitely not bad. And another thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is that you can switch to 90Hz of screen refresh rate at that price point. Given na meron kang 90Hz of screen refresh rate, browsing sa Facebook and other of your favorite na social media site is definitely a lot more smoother tulad nito. Watching videos on Facebook, sa TikTok, sa IG is definitely more enjoyable. Dahil possible na pwede mo ibigay sa kanya na multitasking dito is definitely smooth dahil sa Dimensity 810, be it browsing the social media, playing some games, listening to music, taking some photos, doing it for vlogs. Lahat yan ginawa ko, masasabi ko sa inyo is definitely A-okay. Now, binanggit ko sa inyo na okay ang kanyang camera. Meron siyang quad camera dito sa likod, starting with the 64MP na main camera, which can shoot also up to 108MP na pixels. Then, meron siyang 5MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Sa harap, meron siyang 16MP na main lens and 2MP na depth sensor. And by far, nilabas ko siya on a quick trip outdoors. I can say, ang mga shots ko outdoors is definitely vivid, punchy ang kanyang colors. And to my surprise, for that price point, I wasn't expecting na gano'ng kaganda mga photos na makukuha ka dito. Now, dinala ko naman siya sa indoor, sa loob ng coffee shop. He was also able to perform. And to my surprise, pati ang kanyang front camera is also A-okay. Was able to take in some nice shots indoors and outdoors. And pati a little bit darker scenes, I think not really that much of a problem. Then, tinry ko rin kumuha ng ilang videos using the front and the rear camera. Matagtag siya, yes, to be honest with you. And I wasn't really expecting na medyo sharp yung kanyang mga videos on this one. Siguro bigyan mo na ng tripod o bigyan mo na ng gimbal. I'm sure na ang kanyang camera can definitely perform. Now, itong phone na ito, meron din siya 4,200 mAh na battery and 30 watts ang kanyang fast charging. And to full charge this phone, natatapos naman siya sa loob ng 1.5 oras. And ang kanyang battery endurance, it can last you throughout the day without a problem on normal usage, like, of course, browsing the net, playing a little games, and of course, using for calls. I'm pretty sure kayang-kaya siya magtagal for the whole day. Except siguro kung ginamit mo siya for gaming for the whole day, I'm sure kalating araw pa lang, magsi-charge ka na. And speaking of gaming, nilaro ko ang Call of Duty Mobile dito sa phone na ito, and this is the simple settings na kaya niya gawin dito. And the gaming, I was able to set it a little bit lower sa medium settings, and I was able to browse through dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Now, playing Call of Duty on this phone, ang ganda ng experience dahil curve ang kanyang screen, sarap hawakan, and halos bezel-less ang kanyang frames, no? Giving you that better experience. Parang frameless na rin siya. Now, the touch sensing on this one is okay. Hindi to the point na yung sobrang bilis ng kanyang response, but naagapan naman ng every touch ko sa Call of Duty Mobile. It's accurate naman. Though there are sometimes siguro na mafe-feel mo there's a little bit of lags and there's a little bit of frame drops. Di na pinaiwasan dahil sa hindi siya flagship level na chip. But nevertheless, I was able to enjoy the game. After isang oras ko sa paglalaro, mafe-feel mo dito sa area na ito, iinit siya. No? And nevertheless, it's not so hot. Around 43 degrees Celsius. But of course, if you have some type of a liquid cooler, makakatulong siya definitely. And sa likod niya, I love the feel of this phone. Gawa siya sa fox leather. And halos ano siya, no? Parang synthetic leather. Ang sarap hawakan, ang smooth. Hindi siya yung smooth na puro fingerprint magnet. This one, parang parang talaga masasabi ko sa inyo, premium na premium ang kanyang feel. Now guys, if you tell me that itong phone na ito hindi ganun ka-premium tingnan, I can tell you na almost kahawig niya ang harap ni Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So guys, probably one thing na missing dito sa phone na ito is that wala siyang dual speaker and wala siyang 3.5mm audio jack. So right now, gusto natin pakinggan gaano kalakas ang sounds nga ba na kaya reproduce nitong single firing na loudspeaker ni Cherry Mobile Aqua SB.
Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm on hype it. Want more friends, it's a problem. I be living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah,
so right now guys, napakinggan na ang sounds that's coming out from the single loudspeaker dito sa ilalim ng phone. It's not the loudest, average lang siya guys. And for me, medyo bitin when I'm listening to Spotify, I'm watching my favorite videos here sa phone na ito. And yeah, you might want to use your favorite Bluetooth na TWS or Bluetooth headphones para mas ma-enjoy nyo watching videos and, well, of course, binge watching sa Netflix dito sa phone na ito. And speaking of Netflix, itong phone na ito only has a level 3 security sa Widevine, which means hindi ka makakanood ng HD. So not having a level 3 security level sa Widevine doesn't mean na pangit ang mga resolution na mapapanood nyo dito. I'm playing right now a 2K display na video and I can say okay naman ang display niya. Bright, vivid, punchy naman kanyang colors, and watching my favorite shows dito sa phone na ito is definitely delightful. Yung nga lang medyo mabiting ka lang sa sound, you should use your favorite headphones using Bluetooth connectivity para mas ma-enjoy, mas immersive ang iyong experience. But watching videos sa kanyang 6.6-inch na AMOLED display with curved screen and 90Hz of screen refresh rate is definitely enjoyable. Now guys, sabihin niyo sa akin kung what's not to love about this phone, ang Cherry Mobile Aqua SB 5G. I mean, halos lahat ng gusto mo ay nandito na. And it's even better than some other mid-rangers out there in the market. And grabe, sobrang pumapalag tong phone na ito at 11,999. And I'm quite sure na mabilis na ma-sold out guys. No? At kung ako sa'yo, i-check nyo na ang description box below para sa link kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong Cherry Mobile Aqua SB 5G. Sobrang yung sulit guys, and ako, I definitely can vouch for this phone. Sobrang ganda, and I love every single feel of this. Probably the only thing na hindi ko lang gusto dito is medyo mahina ka ng loudspeaker, at wala rin siyang 3.5mm audio jack, at wala rin siyang micro SD expansion. Other than that, almost okay na sa akin lahat ng meron dito sa phone na ito. Now guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito, do hit me up on the comment section below. Let me know kung anong nagustuhan nyo dito sa Cherry Mobile Aqua SV 5G. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget na mag-like, subscribe, of course. Click nyo na rin ang bell icon. And guys, ang dami ko pa ibang videos na pwede naman panood. And marami kayong matutunan na hindi na matutunan sa ibang vloggers. Now, of course, ako nga pala si Richmond. And you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!